The first question is about dredging of Lake Nagawicca. Which of these four options do you prefer for dredging of the lake? 1. Use no city funds and have lake residents pay for all the cost. 2. Have the city as a whole and the lakeshore residents share the cost. 3. Have the city pay for all of the costs as approved by the Lake Welfare Committee and the Common Council. Or 4. To simply do nothing. Please explain your choice.
Dredging seems like that encompasses everything on the lake, and it really doesn't. I mean, there's two types of dredging. There's the type of dredging that's private dredging, which the Lake Welfare Committee has helped to accomplish in being able to get the permit for everybody in the city that had less than 3 feet of water. And then there's the public side of the dredging question. And the one I'm most proud of is the private side, where through all the efforts that the community's gone through, we've had over 70 property owners spend over $1 million of their own money to remove sediment from a lake that they don't own in front of their property. And in return, they've been able to enjoy their lake property more. They've been able to increase the value of their home, and they've increased the value of the city as a whole as far as the tax base. And they are happy to be able to pay for those costs and complete those projects. And those are the kind of projects that we need to move forward with in the city of Delafield. We have a plan for those individuals. They just group together and they pay for it themselves. The other part of the dredging question is that public area. Basically that one area in the Bark River where it's not touching anybody's individual property. It's out there in the middle of the lake, and it's where it comes in from the Bark River, which is where the majority of the sediment comes into the lake. The objective there is that, we have to find a solution that everybody in the city can deal with. And that solution is going to come from the citizens. That solution is going to come from the 4 aldermen that agree that they have a good plan on how to address that. And I would encourage that if they did approve it, that we find other costs to take out of the operating budget to cover the cost of about $450,000. That's what the estimate is now. And that, as Michelle said, that we find outside funding where possible to do that. The last time we tried to do that with the Brownfields grant, Michelle voted against it.